Welcome! In front of me is a SONY Xperia 5 Mark III, and today I will show you how to copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. And to get started, you will want to open up your standalone contacts application, which for me is right over here. Once you get it open, tap on the three bars right here in the corner and navigate to the settings, where you should see import option at the bottom. From there, select SIM card, and this will show you all the contacts that are on your SIM card. By default, they will be all selected, so if there are some contacts that you don't want, just deselect them like this and you should be fine. Additionally, if you see some kind of contacts that are already deselected, not by you, and they are also grayed out to the point that you cannot select them, that's completely fine. Those contacts already exist on your phone, so don't worry about those. Once you have all the contacts that you want selected, click on Import button. This will give you a message how many contacts have been imported, and when you go back, you should be able to see them all right here. And that is how you would import your contacts. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.